Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change Google Ads Engine from light theme to dark theme in just one simple click. So what you only need to do is go to your browser and type in stylish extension. Just type stylish extension, and this one you'll click on the first link where it says Chrome webstore.google.com, and when you open this link, this is going to open up the stylish Chrome extension that is going to assist you turn on and turn off the light theme specifically for your Google Ads Engine. So if I open that link, you can see it says stylish custom themes for any website, and so here you can see the styles. You can download the styles and customize if you want. There's just some CSS styles if you know how to write CSS, or if you are a web developer and you know how to write your CSS codes. You get what I'm saying. So you can see I've already added the stylish to my Chrome extension, to my extensions, I mean, and it says for me it says remove from Chrome, which means I've already added. So for you it may say, or it will say that add to Chrome extensions. So here you can read through. It says with hundreds of thousands of themes, skins, and free backgrounds, you can customize any website with your own color scheme in just a single click. Yeah, just as I said, then you can see it has a 4.3 reviews out of 5, and so these are some of the details, and the version is now 3.4.5, and last update was July 9th 2025. This is the size, so it's just 1.57 MBs, so it's not going to take so much space of your computer, and it is in 4 languages. This is the developer, so it's here, SimilarWeb Limited, this, so you can read through some of the description for this Chrome extension. You can look at the themes also. You can see we have all these themes under this extension. So if you already clicked on add extension, most possibly you are going to get to see it on the under extension. So if you come here on the extensions, you click on that, you will see somewhere under your extensions. So what you do, just click on that one and it will open up the stylish Chrome extension. So I'm going to open my Google Ads Engine again. You can see it is in light theme, which is the default theme for Google Ads Engine, since they have never written any feature to convert this thing by default from light to dark or dark to light. So you have to use some third-party extensions, just as what we are going to do. Okay, so here you come to your extensions and activate your stylish custom theme. So if I click on that, you can see this is how it is going to pop up, and you can see the gallery. That means you can add your own styles if you want. You can go and write CSS, and you will see them under your style, so you can rename them whatever you like. You see I have some examples here, and then you can also get the editor. So the extension comes with the editor, where you can write your own code and then style the whole thing, the whole Google Ads Engine as you want. You can change everything basically as you want. So here you can write anything, any code you like, CSS and whatever. So I'm not going to do that. So I just click on stylish custom extension, and then under my styles, not under styles but gallery, I click on these 3 bars here. When I click on that, you can see it says stylish extension off. Perhaps yours was on automatically. It means it switched this light theme to the theme that was provided by default. So if I click on stylish extension like that, and it turns on, right? So you can see now it is on. And for example, if I just open some basic code here, just to show you what it has actually done, you can see it changes the code from whatever it was, light theme, and all the most basic methods that were in different color by default in your light theme. into something like this. So you see we have these colors, different colors for almost everything. You see these are integers, they have their own colors. Strings, they have their own colors. The keywords, they have their own colors, and so on. So if you want to change it to light theme, you still go back to stylish, you click on that one, and then it pops up from the right, and here you can disable the extension. So if I click on disable, which means I'm turning it off, I will go back to default theme for Google Ads Engine. Yeah, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something. I hope you are going to continue using the dark theme, and I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also leave a like if this video was helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.